In recent years, the geopolitical landscape has been significantly shaped by conflicts in Eastern Europe, and NATO's involvement has been both consequential and transformative. As we look ahead to 2024, there is growing speculation about how NATO's strategic maneuvers might become a game-changer in the ongoing Ukraine conflict. But what exactly could shift the balance, and how might it unfold? To begin with, NATO's ability to potentially influence the Ukraine conflict hinges on unified tactical advancements and the leveraging of innovative military strategies. At the core is the alliance's decision to enhance real-time intelligence sharing mechanisms among member states. This improvement not only bolsters defensive capabilities, but enables quicker, data-driven strategic planning that could outpace adversarial moves. Furthermore, the inclusion of new technology in combat operations stands as another pivotal factor. NATO members have been integrating cutting-edge systems, such as drone technology and cyber defense units, setting new standards for modern warfare. These technologies provide a strategic edge by offering unprecedented situational awareness and countering potential threats, all while minimizing risks to personnel on the ground. Equally important is NATO's strengthened support for Ukraine in training and arms supplies. By providing the Ukrainian military with advanced weaponry and tactical training, NATO is effectively enhancing Ukraine's self-defense capabilities. This not only acts as a deterrent to further escalation, but also underscores the alliance's commitment to preserving the sovereignty of its partners. Diplomatic maneuvers will also play a crucial role. NATO is likely to engage in more robust diplomatic dialogues with Russia, aiming to combine military readiness with strategic negotiations. The integration of diplomatic efforts might create pathways for de-escalation and perhaps, ultimately, resolution. The hope is to not merely hold a position, but to foster conditions conducive to peace and stability in the region. It's worth noting that NATO's shifting stance relies heavily on the consensus among its diverse member states. The unity of the alliance is both its greatest strength and its most considerable challenge. As decisions are democratically forged, the cooperation among nations like the US, Germany, and Turkey, to name a few, becomes integral to the success of any proposed strategy. In conclusion, as 2024 approaches, NATO's potential to alter the dynamics of the Ukraine conflict appears increasingly plausible. Through a combination of technological advancements, military collaboration, and diplomatic engagement, NATO is poised to redefine its role in this enduring conflict. The year ahead might indeed witness a pivotal shift, ushering in a new chapter not only for Ukraine and the alliance, but for the stability of the entire region.